My name is Madhu M. Nair. I'm a commerce student. Currently, I'm pursuing my undergraduate course from IPA. I grew up in Bhopal, but I'm originally from Kerala. I did my schooling from St. Teresa's Girls' School, Bhopal. I have won numerous medals and certificates for essay writing, debate competition, and for my university examination 2018-19. I have keen interest in sports. I'm a national gold medalist in Taekwondo. My strength is my inquisitive nature, learning attitude, being disciplined, and also being a good listener. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Professor Willys Ma'am for playing a major role to enhance my soft skills. She is truly an inspiration. We all want confidence, positive attitude, positive self-esteem, and we can develop it with communication skills. And let's admit it, we all need perfection. Soft skills plays a very major role in one's personality development. I would like to thank again Professor Willys Ma'am for all her efforts in my development with lots of fun and interesting sessions. I assure you that you will not only be equipped with excellent command over English, but you will also develop an exceptional personality. Professor Willys is a very skillful person. She takes the classes in a funny and interesting way. During our class sessions, we were groomed for enhancing our communication skills, personality development, public speaking skills, and were also encouraged to bring out our creativity through various classroom activities. We are also trained for facing interviews, and most importantly, we are able to build confidence within ourselves. Thank you so much, ma'am.